Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an email list, a pop-up, and connect it to a sales funnel or a landing page. And the reason for doing this is that these days, people are so used to this type of landing pages or sales funnels, and when they see the email form, the chance of them signing up is so low than when you have just a button and they click and a pop-up come up. So let's get into it. So right now I'm gonna have to create email list. All right, so we're gonna go back here on your dashboard, locate mailingboss autoresponder. Then I'll right click to open in a new tab just so I'll not lose it. All right, so this is for subscriber list and this is for sequence. So we are not creating sequence, we are creating email list. So I will name it profitable online business. All right, so this will be my description. Then click continue. So now you need to pay close attention to this. I don't want a thank you page. I don't want confirm page, bridge page. I just want the prospect after signing up, go straight to the sales page. You change this to single opt-in, change this to single opt-out. Tags, you can add tags if you want, like for instance, alright, so I'll use those as my tags. Alright, so then you have to read all this, okay, because they want to protect Builderall system, Spam Act. So what I'll do, I'll go back. So click on republish again. I would like to connect my subdomain first. To connect a subdomain website, scroll down, click on connect domain, then I will name it without www or https and stuff like that. Then you click on next, connect domain confirm. So really want to connect the domain, confirm. All right, domain successfully connected. I'll close it. I'll click on republish again. I'll advise you to wait for like half an hour. So I'll close everything and I'll come back. All right, so let's try and connect it. Bam. So as you can tell, after 15 minutes, it's working. So not even half an hour. Highlight this, right click, copy. All right. So like I said earlier on, if you don't have a domain, then it's gonna be whatever Builderall will give you, but it's not good. Connect your domain. So go back and we're gonna paste this in here. That's where you wanna direct people, and you have to give reason. So my reason is all right. So this is what I came up with. I need a single opt-in due to the competitive market. All right. You can write whatever you want to convince them. Then click continue. All right, your form has been successfully saved. That means it has been approved. All right, so by default, you receive an email, but ignore it. You don't have to reply that email. Then scroll down. If you want first name on your list, you can check in this, but I don't want that. I just want the email. That's another step for your customer or your prospect to log in, okay? And it can reduce the number of sign-ups sometimes, okay? So I'll scroll down and I'll click save changes. All right, so that's it. In case you want to change anything, you just click on field. All right, then you come in here to change whatever you want to change. Okay, but in my case, I don't want to change anything, so I'll click save and I will move on. So what I will do next, I'll just close this because I don't need it anymore. All right, so now we go back here, edit, Alright, so we need to create a pop-up for this link. Okay, so to create a pop-up, you click on pop-ups. Alright, so create a new pop-up. This is what you get because I don't have any pop-up yet. So click on, I had one but I deleted it. So what's the name of the pop-up? I'll say alright, so click save. Alright, so now we're gonna edit this pop-up. Alright, and this is blank, so you're gonna click on add panels. I want blank, so click on blank. Yeah, so close this. Alright, so I'll change the background color. Then the text. Alright, so now I'll get the email form. So click on this. So I'll grab this and profitable online business. So this is the email list that we created earlier on. So you click on it, then you select. Alright, so close it. Click on this pen again, up, change the color. I have the color code already, so it's always good to have your color code. Okay, hover background, I don't want any hover background. Close it. Okay, so we're gonna change the text. You have to go to headline, then started. All right, so let's do 18. Yeah, I think 20 is better. That's it. Close it. Close this. Alright, so now we're going to link it to the affiliate page. So click on this, click on link, subscribe pending action. So click on it. Alright, so I'm going to go to my affiliate link. Alright, so I'll copy and move over. Sorry. So drop it here, click select. After subscribe is confirmed, which in our case, there wouldn't be any confirmation. So click on no action. So we're gonna still drop it here again. So select. So unsubscribe confirmed. If they wanna unsubscribe, I don't want them to take any action. They can just unsubscribe. So save. Alright, so URL is saved. Alright, so what you do next is save here as well. Then that's fine. So let's work on the mobile version. So click on the mobile version. Alright, so this is how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna move this up. Alright, just take this off. Okay, so then I'll save it. Alright, yeah, so I want it like this. Okay, so go back. So now we are done. So go back to this page here. So now I'm gonna connect it. So click on it and click on the set link. Click on pop-up. So this is the pop-up we created, profitable online business. Click on it and select. Then you click on save. So when you save, check the mobile version of this. So click on it. Alright, so you see the mess. this. I don't need it, so I'll hide it. Don't delete it. If you delete, it's gonna make a mess, so hide it. Alright, so this is how it's gonna look like. Nice and simple. I'm gonna save it. Alright, so I'll republish. Alright, so close it. Let me try and close everything. And try from scratch. Alright, so click on the menu sign, which is the three dots. Go to website. Boom. So this is it. Everything is good. So let's click on this. See? So your pop-up is also working. So I'll try and let you see. Boom. It takes them straight to the sales page. Alright. And this is the sales page. Let's go back to Builderall, to mailingboss. Alright, so we go to list. Alright, so as you can tell, I have one subscriber, and let's check it. Alright, so as you can tell, it's here and it's confirmed already. Alright, so this will increase your sales rate because prospects don't have to go to their email to confirm and all that. This is why I chose the single opt-in. Alright, yeah, so this is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.